Getting started on your online journey can be very intimidating. That's why I use Kajabi to actually do everything under one roof, including setting up how to build your first online website. I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to do that in less than 10 minutes. All right, let's get started. Just a reminder to check out reviewonlinecourse.com. It's a collection of all my software reviews, the pros, the cons of each platform to help you decide which one's right for you. And just remember, if you decide to use any of my links to trial a platform like Kajabi, Thinkific, or Teachable, and so on, you get a free pair of Apple AirPods as my way of saying thank you. Check the description box below for more details. Anyways, back to the video. All right, so here we are in the back end of Kajabi. And as you can see, we've got websites, products, sales, marketing, people, everything you would need to build your own online journey. We're going to be focusing specifically on websites, but I just wanted to show you when you click on people, it will show you exactly, it's going to open up a couple tabs. You're going to see the ability to kind of manage your people. You click on marketing, you're going to see, look, pipelines, which essentially is just Kajabi's way of saying funnels, email campaigns, automations, events, forms. There's like opt-in forms. Click on sales. You got some more options under here, offers, coupons, creating affiliate programs with inside Kajabi. You've got products. These are where you build your digital products. And then you've got website. And that's what we're going to focus on. But I wanted to show you exactly how I use Kajabi to keep everything in-house, like everything under one roof. So if we were going to start a website, which can get a little intimidating, the first thing we want to do inside Kajabi, if you're there right now, is to click on settings, not necessarily the website. It'll lead you down a rabbit hole a little bit. We want to go to site details and we want to fill out this information first. The name of the site, the domain, the support email associated with it, the phone number. This is just in case it's going to put this in different parts of your pages throughout the building process. And once you do it here in the beginning, you won't have to go back and continuously edit the pages. So that's super important. Also, you notice we get this homepage. We have show the theme homepage, or we can actually specifically make our homepage a landing page that we want to build. That's what we're going to do now, but we can have a branding opportunity where we can create a logo and even a favicon, which is this little tiny thing you can see up here, the Kajabi K up there. That's a favicon. You can choose the colors of your website and including even an instructor picture. And so you get the point, you get this awesome opportunity to really customize your site, including the SEO. So how someone finds you. When you share a link about your website, you want something to pop up. This picture will kind of be the default picture that they'll see when you're sharing this. Plus there's some SEO opportunities. So Google kind of knows exactly what's going on. And then at the very bottom, if you have the right plan within Kajabi, you can turn off the Kajabi branding. So it actually doesn't say Kajabi all over the place. It can say customized to what your logo and your name of your company is. So super important to get this done first and foremost. And we will come back to this little section where it says homepage. But let's jump in now to website. So if you want to build your website just as in the theme builder like I have it, boom, here you go. You can do that. You can just click this customize and you're ready to go. However, if you wanted to just build out one landing page, because let's just say you don't have a lot of time, or maybe you don't really even know what you're selling at this particular point in time, this is a great way to actually do this. You could click pages, you can click new page, just find a page that resonates with you. Kajabi has a ton of templates, as you can see, and now they've even actually categorized these templates. So you've got landing pages right here. These are your sales pages. There's 10 in total. There's the link in the bio. So this is really cool too, because a lot of times now with Instagram that only allows you one link. Now there's these thing called Linktree. Kajabi has their own built-in Linktree. How cool is that? And you have an opportunity to just put all your links right in here. So that's cool. And then also here, another category, the thank you and confirmation, and then the opt-in and lead capture. So let's just choose opt-in and lead capture, because for the sake of the length of this video, oh, and let me see, a little coming soon. I haven't even seen these. This is like, I'm learning too right here. I didn't even see these new ones coming. This is cool. All right, so if I was to click on this one, which is an opt-in, I'm gonna say get started. I'm just going to say test for now. I'm going to create this page. And voila, the page is done. You can see my home navigation links up top. I would probably turn those a different color just so they're not getting translucently lost with this background. But you can change this really quickly. If you click on this text, you can't edit it right here on the page. I see a lot of people trying to edit right here. You'll click on the text and you'll move over to this box over here on the left. This is more the editor over here where you can kind of change how big you want the columns of the box to be. You can see, you can really play around with either one of these sizes. And you can see this little translucent box. That's how you change the size of the box, by actually choosing the width over here on how many columns you want. So let's just, for time's sake, keep this as is. We're going to keep it saying effective marketing doesn't have to feel sleazy. We're going to pick an opt-in form. They're going to allow you to choose a default, or you can pick one of the ones I have. I already have. I'm going to choose default just for the sake of time here. And boom, right there, it already customizes it. The button's the same color as the banner and the footer. I mean, it's looking really good right there off the bat. Everything's matching. And this could be our home page. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to make it easy. I'm going to say coming soon. And then boom, they have an idea that actually something is on the way. You could put in here opt in for more updates, and we'll let you know when we're ready to launch. Right there, you could make this page your home page. Since we called this test, I'm going to save this. And right now, I'm going to go back to where we were originally, and I'm going to head back to settings. I'm going to go to site details, and I'm going to change the home page, and I'm going to find a landing page. I'm going to say show a landing page. I'm going to pick test. Allows me an opportunity to search. There it is. Boom. Now I hit save, and that right there is my home page now. That's how easy it is to build a website. Obviously, there's a lot more to it than that, but that's an easy way to just build a landing page, set it as your home page, and boom, right off the bat, you have a workable, functionable website landing page right off the go. And we did that less than 5 minutes. So that's why Kajabi is so cool. It has all these features and it's super, super fast. Most of what Kajabi's done for you is already done. You know, the ad copy, a lot of the buttons, a lot of the color coding already done for you. All you have to add is just your unique information and your specific touch. So anyways, if there's anything you guys want to know more about when it comes to the Kajabi software platform, just comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.